mail call time again. Our favorite person, the UPS driver, showed up about an hour ago, and I figured we would open some packages together and see what got delivered today. This should all be silver bullion products that we have reordered from our distributors, and to keep our shelves stocked here at Vermillion Enterprises. We are at 5324 Spring Hill Drive in Spring Hill, Florida. Today is February 16th, 2022, and we are always buying and selling any kind of gold, silver, platinum, palladium, or rhodium bullion coins. You got anything you want us to take a look at, you're always welcome to bring it in, whether it's old Morgan silver dollars, old junk 90, like your old Mercury dimes, quarters, Walking Liberty half dollars, all the way up to brand new current issue Silver Eagles, Krugerrands, Maple Leafs, any of that kind of stuff. We are buyers on, guys. So let's see what we got. These two boxes came from the same place. These two boxes came from the same place, and then this box came from a different distributor. Let's just said I don't know. They just fell over, but no big deal. Let's see what we got here. And these, of course, are always going to be double boxed. Has to be for insurance purposes. Let's see. And you can see inside we got a strap box. It's probably going to fall apart on us when we open this up. Let's see here. How are we going to get this out without that happening? And that box goes away. And any ideas? Yeah, this one's somewhat big. You see how this stuff really gets banged around when it ships, and there's probably about 35 pounds of silver here. So let's just see what we got inside. Once we get these straps off, it is going to just fall apart on us. So, yeah, here we go. See, what do we got? We got kilo bars of silver. These are from the Pioneer Metals. It's got like the nice loaf style bar. I really dig in these Pioneer bars. We got 10 ounces, kilos, and now 100-ounce bricks in the shop. And what's cool about these is they're shrink wrapped. So each one is shrink wrapped. So as long as you keep it in that shrink wrap, shouldn't really get too scarred up or scratched up like, you know, the old Englehart bars or Johnson Matthey bars get. So this should stay fairly pristine as long as it's properly taken care of and left in that shrink wrap. And really a cheap product in the scheme of things. Right now we're selling these kilo bars at the spot price plus $2.25 per ounce. So if you're interested in some kilo bars, come on in. We just got, let's see, one box of 15, and you see what it looks like inside there. And it's just a bunch of bars thrown in there basically. And that should be what is in this package also. Let's find out here. Hope I'm not ripping our new mat down there. Let's see. Of course, we got the foam, which we always recycle our packing materials because everything's super expensive right now, including packing supplies. Get rid of that. And let's open this up, shall we? Kilos are super hot right now. We got people lined up to buy these. So a lot of these will be gone here shortly, but we still will have some in stock here if you guys are interested in some. Please, I'm going to fall out this end here, so let's just open it up right here. And yes, as you can see, more of the same. The Pioneer kilo 999 fine silver. It's got that nice kind of like waffle design look to it. Great looking bar. And so we got plenty of stock right now, guys. If you're interested, come in and hit us up and we'll set you up with some. All right, let's get those out of the way. So in each one of those boxes, 15 kilo bars. Now remember, guys, kilos are 32.15 ounces of silver. So in a box, times that by, what is it, 15? So there's in a box 482.25 ounces of actual silver in each one of those boxes, which is probably about what, 35, 36 pounds. All right, so let's do this big guy here. We all should know what this is by the shape of the box, right? Well, let's just find out together though. This one opens from this way. This should be one of everyone's favorite products here. That out of the way. American Silver Eagle Monster Box. This should be, you see it's strapped both ways, both horizontal and vertical across the box, and should be brand new box of 2022 Silver Eagles. Yep, this is the new Type 2 release. Brand new material straight from the mint via our distributors. And we always have American Silver Eagles in stock, guys. Right now we're charging the spot price of silver plus $7.75 per ounce. So if you need Silver Eagles, hit us up. We have them in stock. Now, let's see what we got in these guys here. Both of these boxes came from the same distributor. Let's see what is inside here. Of course, a box inside a box. And let's see if I can do this without the whole thing falling apart on us. And so what we have says Buffalo, 1 ounce, quantity 500. So, open for me this. You have a monster box, 500 ounces of 1 ounce Buffalo rounds. So each one of these tubes are 20 ounces. Each tube, there's 25 tubes, so there's 20 ounces in each tube. And so there is 500 ounces altogether. Let's see what these guys look like. Yep, kind of like a frosted Indian head on one side. Is it coming in good? There you go. And on the reverse is the Buffalo. So just a 1 ounce generic round, one of our biggest sellers. The American Silver Eagles and the Buffalo rounds are probably our biggest sellers in the shop right now, bullion wise. Right now we're selling these at the spot price plus $2.95 per ounce. Now remember guys, with generic silver, unlike the coins, if you buy less than $500 in value at a time, you do have to pay the 6.5% sales tax to the state here in Florida. So that's why if you're going to spend less than $500, I always suggest going with coins, U.S. coins. Same holds true for foreign coins. You get hit with that sales tax. So let's open up this guy. Should be identical to that. And you see a box inside a box. Oh, this one's a little bit looser. That. And yes, and again, you can see we got 25 tubes with 20 ounces of silver in each one. Let's crack one open. Should be the exact same design. And it is. Same exact thing as in the other box. So, nice frosty looking, fresh 1 ounce silver, 999 Buffalo rounds. We always have these in stock, guys. Like I said, these are all replacement products that we've ordered that we sold in the last couple days. And so if you guys are interested in buying and investing in silver, and of course gold too, we always have it in stock. Remember, we're always buying and selling 1 ounce rounds. We have 10 ounce bars, we have kilo bars, we have 50 ounce bars, and 100 ounce bars of silver. And then of course the American Silver Eagles are always in stock too. Gold, we stock Eagles, so we always have 1/10 ounce, quarter ounce, half ounce, and full ounce American Gold Eagles in stock. And sometimes we have some other product too, depending on what people have sold us here locally over the counter. And my name is Brian. We're here at Vermillion Enterprises, 5324 Spring Hill Drive in sunny Florida. And we are open Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Saturdays, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. And we do ship across the country. If you're in a place where you'd like us to ship to, we'd be happy to help you out. We do accept payment via cash, Zelle, or a wire transfer. We do not accept crypto. We do not accept any kind of credit card or paper check of any kind at all, or any other payment apps other than Zelle. So just those three, guys. And if there's anything we do for you, always reach out to us through the website or give us a call. We'll be happy to assist you. Thank you very much.